it's Gina from WTI, and if you're looking to create more of a gym experience in your home, then something that is absolutely essential is having mirrors. We got this set of 2 from Royalty Mirrors, and I am so pleased with them. These come with all the hardware that you're going to need to install them. I would recommend having some kind of power tool though in order to drill into the walls and to apply the screws. We have an interesting setup out in our warehouse. You can see that we have metal walls, and this is kind of adjacent to a rec room that we've created out here. I just cannot believe how much better it looks. It opened everything up. It doesn't feel like I'm in some kind of weird industrial space anymore. This has been so nice for exercising because it's helped my husband and I to keep better form. These have smooth edges and backing, so you can have peace of mind when you put them up. We decided to hang them side by side vertically, but it comes with a J channel that you could cut easily and separate them or hang in a different orientation. I'm really pleased with these mirrors. I think you should check them out, and that's my point of view.